أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Glamour World signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel viewers. Hope you all are fine. Me, Allah Almighty, plus you prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen sum Ameen. So viewers, right now on your screen you are watching a very beautiful glamorous personality, Princess Madeline, Duchess of Hälsingland and Gästrikland. Princess Madeline of Sweden, Duchess of Hälsingland and Gästrikland. Madeline Diaris Amalia Jespan, born 10 June 1982, is the second daughter and youngest child of King Carl Gustaf and Queen Silvia. Upon her birth, she was third in line of succession of the Swedish throne. Currently, she is ninth. Princess Madeline is married to British-American financier Christopher. They have three children: Princess Lauren, Princess Nicholas, and Princess Adrienne. From 1985 to 1989, Madeline began her education at Westerland Parish School in the autumn of 1989. The junior level for the intermediate level, she proceeded to Charles Lowndes schools in Stockholm and then went on the undergraduate in Stockholm, which she attended at the seniors level. She also completed a period secondary school at Enschede, from which she graduated in 2001. During the autumn of 2001, she lived in London, where she studied English. In the spring of 2002, she took a basic module in Introduction to Swedish Law and Studies for the European Computer Driving License in January 2003. She enrolled at the Stockholm University, where she began studies in art history. She took 16 Swedish academic units in this subject. 2 semesters in the autumn of 2004, she began a course in ethology at the same university. She speaks English, German, and Swedish fluently, and also intermediate level French. She adds history, ethnology, and modern history. During 2007, she studied child physiology to Stockholm University. Madeline undertakes various engagements on behalf of her father and the people of Sweden. She participated in the celebration of Swedish National Day, the Nobel festivals, dinners, and studied visits with the other members of the royal family. She respected Sweden at the opening of the new Sweden Gallery on 5 June 2011 at the American Swedish Historical Museum in Physiology, which features an animated map of the New Sweden stalemate by sea manner. From 25 October to 1 November 2024, Madeline temporarily acted as regent at Antareat. This is because her father, the king, was traveling to Basile together with Crown Princess Victoria and Princess Carl Palby, leaving Madeline as the closest in line of the throne remaining in Sweden. Madeline is the patronal of the organization Minnesota Dog, the Swedish equivalent of Make-A-Wish Foundation, more commonly known as My Big Day. Its translation into English. She is also affiliated with the European Nostra, Carl John Legg, and the Royal Motorboat Club. In 2006, Princess Madeline entered of the UNICEF for 6 months in the New York City and worked for Division of Child Protective Service. In 2012, she co-founded the Thank You by Childhood campaign, which works to raise awareness of the issues surrounding the sexual abuse of children and the work World Childhood Foundation does to prevent it. So viewers, if you like this video, so you can press the thumbs up button, and if you does not like the video, so you can press the thumbs down button, so that we know how many viewers in the world liking our video and how many viewers in the world does not liking the video. So if you have any suggestion, any thought about that, so you can write us the comment box on my YouTube channel. And viewers, please like, share, subscribe my channel, also share my videos with your family and friends. And thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.